Yeah, I just thought I'd share this with you. I'm not sure if it's the right. Never heard that vibration before either. Anyhow, I'm not sure if it's the right nut. This one's more shiny than this one. But I found it on the floor and I knew I'd heard it hit the floor. I'm gonna have to figure out what that rattle. Oh, well, maybe that was leaning against there. Try it again just for the heck of it. Yep. Believe it or not, that little whisk broom leaning on there was enough to make it vibrate. Anyhow, yeah, never mind the chunk. Well, thank you.